Hey guys, welcome back. In this video we're going to be discussing Instagram marketing. So here you can see my Instagram page, which is a new one that I've recently set up. Now what you want to do is create high quality posts, then add hashtags to your post so that it targets people who are looking for things relating to your niche. Now with Instagram you want to be following people in the hope that they will follow you back. Become consistent with your postings. It only takes about 15 minutes maximum to create a new post. Now if you're struggling for material to post, I've added a link in the resources section to a Fiverr gig offering 5,000 inspirational Instagram posts for only $5. Now you want your page to look good. Again, keeping a high rate of engagement is very important if you're going to succeed online. Now before you get started, you need to make sure that you're presenting yourself properly. So if we go and check out my profile, you'll want to change the name of your business in your description. Obviously here you want your own personal name, but the name of your business is what people are going to see. So the name of my business is Affiliate Marketing World, and that's the first thing people are going to see when I post a photo. You also need to add your business information in the profile bio. So here I've got affiliate marketing coach, online marketer, and here I've got get access to 100% free training here, and then there's a link to my website. Now adding emojis is a good idea also because it makes it look good and attractive and professional. A good tip is when you post a photo to Instagram is be sure to add text to a photo. You need to maximize your engagement. So again, you need a good quality photo, adding text and adding hashtags that are associated with what you're doing. So I'll just show you an example now. I'll now add a photo to my profile and show you how I go about maximizing its reach and engagement. So we'll go down to the plus button here. We'll click on this one. Do what is right, not what is easy. Good motivational post. Click next. Now in the caption you need to write, you can either just go straight away and stick hashtags in there, or you can write a different caption. So here I think we'll just write the same as is in the photo. Do what is right, not easy. And in the caption we'll add the hashtags. We'll say hashtag do what is right. We'll have motivation. We'll have online marketing. We'll have affiliate marketing. And so on. We'll just leave it like that for now, and we'll share the image. So there we go, there's the image. We'll go back to the profile. Now what you'll find is, after sharing the image, that over the next few hours you'll get people commenting on your posts and hopefully following your profile and hopefully clicking on the link that you've provided in your bio, whether it's your website, your landing page, or your business, anything that's involved with your business, any offers you may be promoting. Okay guys, I hope you found this video useful. Just to add, I can't stress enough how important it is to make sure your posts are visual and engaging. It's all about how you're presenting your business for maximum engagement. Okay guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Take care.